I'm in Kenya. Happens to be one of the best day with the vibe. I feel like to be in the forest, to visit the birds, to visit the animals. So I'm on it, guys. This is what we do like every day. Just if you love this, don't go. Just follow me up. Let's go. Ding ding ding. Finally here, this is the river whereby ladies come to take shower. It's still in the morning. I decided to come in the morning because during evening hours you will see them taking shower here. That's where they line up here. Most of them you find them naked taking shower. So that's it is. Let's proceed. I show you more this. Now that's my salary. You can hear from the background. The water is flowing, soapy, calm, tranquil. So this tells you how I love nature and how nature makes me feel like. So it's a Saturday morning. This tells you today is a good day. Today is a bright day, as you can see, and that's how my day looks like. I'm still on trying to show you how my weekends look like. So this one of my week, how my weekends looks like. It's actually very simple. You spend no money, but you enjoy yourself to the fullest. Because if you want the water to drink, there is a water stream down there. I'll also take you there. You see the water stream, the water pure with natural mineral salt in there. So guys, so that is my weekend. Let's get it on. Let me show you more how my weekend is like exactly. The weekend is natural. You see, you can see the natural. Everything here is natural. The trees, you see. I think from your mind you can see. You see. Serious, you see. And that is how African village looks like. That's we enjoy our life. We see this to be the life that most of us will really enjoy. This is where the videographers, the people who do traditional music, they come to tell they are shooting here because of this. They line up here, they do their dancing. I think this is not the festive season. During the festive season, they usually come to this forest here. I don't know, it's an artificial forest. They do their thing. You know what I'm saying? They invite people. It's a festive, so most people usually come here to enjoy themselves. So during those days, like in December, so many things are going to happen in this forest here. You see, to meet videographer, traditional weddings, circumcisions, all this African culture and the natural kind of stuff, they happen in this forest. So this forest has some history, has some history, and we take it to be that way. So now is not that season, but when that season comes, God willing, I'll come back here and take a good video, show you exactly what really happens in this area. So it's a good place, it's a nice place. So God willing, that time comes, we will enjoy that time. So I'm on, guys. You can see, guys, these are the plants that makes me happy. Actually, it shows you the existence of God. These things did not germinate by themselves, and appreciate what really God did. This is to show that as for Africans, we love this. This makes us happy. This makes us exciting, and that's why I love doing this, and I love to enjoy my weekends because of this nature here, these plantations here, this green you see here. Actually, it's a long story how these things are. So guys, as the name safari suggests, it's a pure safari. It's natural. It's easy the way it suggests. So guys, I'll be showing you more about these things here. This is just part of it, but we still have more to enjoy, to show you nature, because it happens that I live in the village, and if I live in the village, that's how the village life looks like. So guys, I'm together with you. This area here, as you can see, it's a high raised area. It's kind of, they have something kind of hills, because we have stones up there, and that's why I would like, guys, to show you how our stones look like. Because the other side there, I see many stones, but I want to start from these stones here, the one which are next to me here, and these stones, we depend on them. When we blasted these stones, we use them for building. We put them on the construction. They are very beneficial to us. We love these stones here because it's money. You see, the stones here is money. When you start doing, the moment you blast them, you can see so many trucks. They will come here to fetch these stones for building. They are mainly used for the foundation. The moment you want to put your foundation, you will need these stones. I don't know in your area how you put the foundation, but as for us, we depend on these stones here. There are many. You can see there is just down there. This is a high area. It's in the kind of island. It's a high because it's a hill. I'm going to show you down there so you see the difference. With your time, when you have your time to come to this place, it's cold, kind of cold. There is hot, it's the hotness and coldness. It's a mixture. So when I stand up here, that's how I look at that area, the other areas. See, this is very high, it looks like. The stones, see, down there, the moment you sleep a little bit, then you die, man. So you can hear my footsteps. I'm just walking. I'm trying to show you or trying to direct you to this place. I'm giving you the Google map. I'm just mapping. Guys, I'm almost at the finishing. Just enjoying my weekend. I'm feeling thirsty and it's high time now I take you to the river. I want to take you, you see how African people behave when it comes to taking this water. So our rivers are natural. As you can see from the background there, that's a forest. Actually, it's a big forest, and that's where I'm heading to. Let's go. Just come, I show you more about Africa. So you can see even the cow are grazing, and this is where I'm heading to. Right now, everything is going to be okay because I'm feeling kind of thirsty, and I'm going to quench myself. Go. So I'm heading down there. I'm feeling kind of thirsty. I'm feeling kind of thirsty, and I need to quench my thirst. Oh God. See? So hear the sound of birds. Tunisaidia kidogo. So I have the jug of water here with me here. I'm feeling kind of thirsty, so I'm gonna take the cup. Let me test it. Bismillah. Asante. Guys, I'm okay now. As you can see, that's how a liver looks like. So guys, I gotta go. These are kids, they were washing their clothes, and then life goes on. That's as we take this water. We believe it's a cool water. So guys, I'm going back to my area. You see, that's how where these guys get their water from. So I've quenched my thirst. Now I'm almost finishing my video. Guys, let me first show you. Can you see that how these guys were like? See? Guys, thank you for being with me. It's been a good day. Appreciate. This is what we usually do. African way, African style. Till next time, I'm going to show you more good videos in our place. You see, the environment is very very astounding. Actually, it's one of the best places I can ever take you. And you can see this area here is the best area you can be. Actually, the environment is cool. The environment is real. The environment is super, and I'll be still taking you to this place, guys. I appreciate one love, and this is what Hispania looks like. The moment you reach in Hispania, this is what you're going to expect. Actually, it's a good thing. Good things are happening here. So guys, till next time, thank you for being part of this video. No more video, I'm going to come and I show you the good scene, the best scene of this Hispania area. Guys, thank you for being with me. I appreciate one love.